As remote working has become the new standard, businesses are concerned about protecting their sensitive data from leaks, intentional or unintentional. The signs are clear. Modern workplaces require modern security, which can empower users and meet the security and compliance challenges of today's organizations, while people have the freedom to work from any location, any time, and on any device. Of course, Microsoft 365 provides a robust solution for organizational protection, but deploying its advanced security and information protection features is a complex and confusing task that often leaves businesses and IT people lost. 365 Security Ready is a pragmatic approach combining consultation and technical implementation of Microsoft 365 threat protection and information protection in a well-defined sequence of steps that ensures the most efficient and complete adoption of Microsoft 365 for organizations. So how does 365 Security Ready help you define the perfect scope for Microsoft 365 security and information protection implementation in your organization? 365 Security Ready ensures complete device management for corporate-owned PCs and laptops while restricting the copying or saving company data to unauthorized apps and locations. Organizations can add a login security layer using multi-factor authentication, making it super difficult for hackers to access employees' accounts. With conditional access, organizations can enjoy complete control over access to any organization's data. Employees are granted permission based on their geolocation or other relevant factors like authorized devices or authorized applications, for example. Yes, with 365 Security Ready, you can classify and tag email and documents with sensitivity labels, such as general, internal only, or confidential, to apply data protection policies, for example, do not print, do not forward, for internal use only, etc. By enforcing data loss prevention policies, organizations can protect sensitive information from leaving the organization and block undesired actions by malicious actors. Enabling long-term data retention policies helps organizations with compliance mandate to retain data for the required period of time. That's right. 365 Security Ready helps businesses achieve their Microsoft 365 technical implementation faster, while ensuring complete adoption of Microsoft 365 security and information protection features. We empower your team with full knowledge transfer and support. To know more about 365 Security Ready, reach us at www.tcf.cloud